It's for Instagram. Insta. Only thing missing is a phone. So we're staying in Concepcion, which is quite a ways north from Coron town. And we're supposed to be driving to Salvacion. It's about 15-20 minute drive. And from there, we're going to catch our private boat to go to Black Island. The mysterious, crazy, apparently very tough to get to Black Island.
Boat tour. It's gonna be fun.
Here we go! 9 a.m. Let's go to Black Island.
Apparently we've got some engine troubles, but no one seems too stressed about it.
Black Island, we made it.
Wow.
ABC, always be coconutting.
That was perfect. Apparently it's mixed salt water and fresh water.
Sean fish!
That's your choice. I love it.
Trip. Where are you? Where are you? How did you do that?
It's connected by a little tunnel. Oh, that's awesome. Bye. Hello.
So we're gonna end up over there, even though we're starting right here. I did it! I didn't bonk my head in the cave. The caves.
Call the guys because I'm like starving.
I like it.
Yeah, you called them? I know.
When we got here, we were the second boat here. Now there's 12 boats here, which is still amazing because it still feels really empty on this island. Sean.
So it's 3 o'clock.
We've been here since 10? 10?
Yeah. 10. About 5 hours of hanging out at the beach on our own little private beach shack. We did the cave. We swam around. We got stung by tiny little jellyfish. Yeah, the weather's turning, and we're not in any kind of hurry to like maximize our stay here. Hurry was the wrong word.
I feel like we've maximized it.
Yeah, we don't need to stay any longer, so.
Stretch it out. You don't feel like we need to stretch it.
We don't need to stretch it out. You nailed it. So we're gonna jump back in the boat and drive back to Coron. And back. Super fun day. Very chill. We just got back to Salvacion. It took about an hour.
Hit a little rough seas. Got a little white cappy.
They can go a little faster, but our boat was nice and slow, and we had some engine troubles along the way. Yeah.
Amazing day. We loved it.